Herkese merhaba. That's hello everyone in Turkish. And welcome to the 4th episode of our Istanbul travel series. Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julie B from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of My Life, we will be exploring one of the most iconic and lively spots here in Istanbul, Taksim Square. This bustling square is more than just a meeting place. It's a blend of history, culture, and modern city life. We're going to see the famous red nostalgic tram, have a delicious lunch at Meat Moot, do a little shopping along Istiklal Street, and walk all the way to the Galata Tower before heading back to our hotel. It's going to be a full day of sightseeing, food, and fun, so let's get started!
Make a U-turn.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered.
Taksim Square is the beating heart of modern Istanbul. It's one of the most popular gathering spots for both locals and tourists. From here, you can access Istiklal Street, restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous nostalgic tram. We arrived here in the morning to enjoy the area before it got too crowded. The vibe here is so alive. Cafes opening, people rushing to work, and the tourists starting their day. Coral. Salik ka sa vlog. By lunchtime, we headed to Meat Moot Restaurant, known for its slow-cooked, smoky, and juicy meats. If you love barbecue or smoked dishes, this place is heaven. Wow!
Andy rice yan si Sa. Ay, salamat.
After lunch, we explored Istiklal Street. It stretches for about 1.4 kilometers and is lined with shops, cafes, art galleries, and even old cinemas. You can literally find everything here from global brands like Zara and H&M to Turkish local boutiques. It's also a great place to buy souvenirs. We also stumbled upon some local shops selling handmade crafts and Turkish delight. I couldn't resist picking up a few treats.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else. Don't deny it. Why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I know you want me. This could be something. I hope you feel it too.
And of course, one of the highlights here is the nostalgic red tram. It runs back and forth along Istiklal Street and it's one of the city's most iconic symbols. We didn't get to ride it this time, but just seeing it pass by is already magical. It feels like a trip back in time. We kept walking, shopping a bit, stopping for photos, and didn't even realize how far we'd gone. The atmosphere of Istanbul really pulls you in with every corner. And before we knew it, we ended up at Galata Tower. Totally unplanned, but the best kind of surprise. Galata Tower dates back to the 14th century and offers one of the best panoramic views of Istanbul. Even you don't go up, just seeing it up close is worth it. Hi Jollies! And that wraps up today's adventure here in Istanbul. Thank you for watching episode 4 of my Istanbul travel series. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the playlist for the other episodes. See you in the next vlog. Görüşürüz.
And I'll leave it to the universe.